2009 GMC Sierra 5.3 liter V8. It's already has catalytic converters there. It's got a third converter there. Got the 3-inch pipe. Then we added a FLOWMASTER part number somewhere. I don't know where the box is. It's okay. FLOWMASTER Outlaw right there. Then we added a Y pipe to continue his duals. Reuse his tailpipes on each side into quad tips that he's already got. There's the part number 15430. FLOWMASTER Outlaw with dual tips out the back on each side. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it on the GMC Sierra. Like always, guys, comment, like, and subscribe. There'll be a link in the description for everything. Is that better? Yeah. He had a FLOWMASTER 50 on it. Your sound decibels? Yeah, it sounds really good. Go ahead and back it up. Yeah, see, it's not raspy, it's just a nice deep tone. Nice setup. Bankrupt model. FLOWMASTER Outlaw. One more. Tell us what you guys think in the comments.